Tip number 4, temperature. This was the biggest rookie mistake that I made when I got into real estate. I had this open house, beautiful home, $2.3 million. It was midsummer in Southern California. And the seller, they wanted me to put on all the fireplaces because I had like 5 or 6 fireplaces. And everyone that walked in there, because I had the fireplaces on and I had the doors open, I was trying to get the wind to come through like a breeze. The main comments that I got from buyers walking through was, it's hot in here. It's really hot. We got to get out of here. So make sure you control your temperature. You don't have to listen to the seller on everything. You know where you feel comfortable. It's usually 70 to 73. You don't want to go higher than that. You don't want to go lower than that. If it's hot summer day, don't put the fireplaces on. Always keep the air on, control the climate in there, because you want people focused on the home. You don't want them focused on how hot and sweaty they were, or how cold they were, that they had to get out of there really quick. You want them focused on all the stuff that you're telling them about why this is an amazing home and figuring out whether or not they want to put in an offer on it. So control the temperature. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can send us an email, you can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.